I've never even owned a pair of Vans. And me making shoes for everyone, I'm getting kind of jealous, and I want a pair of shoes. So, who better to ask to make shoes than myself? All I gotta do now is fill up this bucket with water, use this spray paint, and mix magic.
Out of the blue, you went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace and find I want more, 'cause there's no reason. I will shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it anyway. You used to say that you don't belong, but I never thought you would go. What did I do wrong? Your mother said there's no need to blame ourselves. Out of the blue, you went and left me here alone. My actions do it some more. I want more, 'cause there's no reason. I'll shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it anyway.
So I realize everyone pretty much stops watching the video as soon as I make an outro, so all I gotta say is thank you for watching, and if you want to subscribe, cool. If not, cool. I'm not gonna force you, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye.